Welcome to Health IQ. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained popularity for its potential benefits in weight loss, improving metabolic health, and providing energy. The primary goal of the keto diet is to shift the body into a state of ketosis, where it primarily burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. To lose weight using the keto diet, you would typically follow these guidelines. 1. Reduce carbohydrate intake. Restrict your carbohydrate intake to a very low level, typically below 50 grams per day. This forces your body to use stored fat as its primary energy source. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more videos like this. 2. Increase healthy fat consumption. Replace the calories from carbohydrates with healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. These fats provide satiety and help you feel full. 3. Moderate protein intake. Consume a moderate amount of protein to support muscle maintenance and repair. Protein sources can include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion and overall health. 5. Include low-carb vegetables. Consume non-starchy vegetables that are low in carbohydrates, such as leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. The keto diet has shown potential benefits for weight loss due to its ability to promote fat burning and reduce appetite. By reducing carbohydrate intake, the body enters ketosis and relies on stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Additionally, the diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. While the keto diet may be effective for weight loss, it's important to approach it cautiously and consider potential health implications. It may not suit everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions like diabetes or kidney disease. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting the keto diet is recommended. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Some popular variations of the keto diet include 1. Standard ketogenic diet, SKD. This is the most common type, characterized by a low-carb, moderate protein, and high-fat ratio. 2. Cyclical ketogenic diet, CKD, involves cycling periods of higher carbohydrate intake, typically used by athletes or those with intense workout routines. 3. Targeted ketogenic diet, TKD, allows for small amounts of carbohydrates to be consumed during workouts to provide additional energy. 4. High-protein ketogenic diet, similar to the standard keto diet, but with more protein to support muscle maintenance and growth. Remember, any dietary change should be personalized to your specific needs, and it's important to maintain a balanced and varied diet that provides all essential nutrients. Thanks for watching Health IQ.